Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and simple spaghetti garlic and oil dish that's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. So, let's get started. First, boil your spaghetti according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, heat up your extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Add in your thinly sliced garlic and let it sizzle for a minute or two. Next, add in your cooked spaghetti and toss it all together. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. If you're feeling a little spicy, sprinkle in some red pepper flakes for a kick. Finally, garnish with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese if you're a cheese lover like me. And there you have it, a scrumptious spaghetti garlic and oil dish that's ready in no time. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bon appetit!